And we're back. The radiator has came in and we're gonna install it. Backstory, we was doing the front camber on the car. Car fell, radiator broke on the jack, and that's pretty much it. So we're just gonna set the camera up, get this radiator in. Like I said, I already taken it out, put a new one in. I've already taken it out, put a new one in, and then that one was broken. Took that one out. They gave me a second one. The second one was broken. And now we're on the third one. So yeah, that's the new radiator. Everything looks correct, so I'm gonna grab the fans and put them on, and then we're gonna put it in the car. You gotta remember which fan is where. Now that it's assembled, we just gotta put it in the car. We must put the condenser on. All right. Just like the two bolts up here, there's two more down here for the condenser. So here are those two screws you have to tighten, 1 and 2. Now it goes in. Now I have to slightly loosen this real quick. And that's because I have to connect my resistor for my, aftermarket headlights. I do that on both sides. Let me do that real quick. Alright, so that's all the bolts that I put back on. Now I have to put on this last one. I am missing at least 4 screws right now. I'm missing 1 for here. I'm missing 2 screws for the headlights, but all my headlights. Now I gotta put some hose clamps on. There's one on top and one underneath on the radiator. Give me a second.
Anyways, this is the Civic right now. I'm trying to put some coilovers on there, but they don't fit, so I'm stuck. Stock height. Yes, sir. Record. That's it? Yo, I guess that's it, y'all. Bro, you're already putting this shit back together. Like, we're done. Like, damn, bro. Nate's making me work right now. More civic content.
Basically what's going on is Frank's trying to slam the Civic. He owns a Civic now. And then this car I have to wait until it gets up to temperature before I could even continue. So I have to wait until that gets to temperature, and then this guy is stuck here because I don't know what that is. This guy is stuck here because he's trying to put suspension on using the 10th gen suspension. It won't work because these spindles. Thing you want to say?
I need coilovers for this car, bro.
Yeah, so I gotta wait until the car warms up so I could do the rest of the service. I put the heat on blast and I'm still waiting. It hasn't released the coolant.
Yo, you don't got some spare washer fluid for me? You don't got some spare washer fluid? Oh.
I had like washer fluid, bro, didn't see it.
I need this.
I have another one. It hasn't even hit temperature yet.
Ooh. Oh. They came in clutch, bro. Bro, why is this shit not filling up? The fuck?
It is good.
Ooh.
I feel heat now. It's hot in here. But I'm still waiting for this in. I gotta make a video on these guys. I'm waiting for Frank to get it so he can make the video on what to do. Alright, it's been a few days and we finished the car. The front bumper's on, as you guys see. Everything's all good. We're missing a wheel on this side because I'm still waiting for the new tire to come in because the one that I got was flat. And then here's Frank's car, as we all know. Right now, he has a leak in the gas tank. You can see with the cup there. He had a bowl in there. I don't know where the bowl is, but I think it leaked out all the gas. So this car's just sitting here until we get a new gas tank. And then as for the Civic, he's not here right now, but he slammed the Civic. I'll show you guys that once it comes back. I'll just throw a little clip right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna close out the video here. I'll see you guys in the next one.